Hello. Welcome to this full session on a web development course, where you will learn web development from very basic to advanced. Hi. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I will be your mentor throughout this entire session. In this course, we will start from the very basic and fundamental language of the web, which is HTML. We will cover all the basics of HTML. Then we will move on to CSS, where we will learn the basic styling in CSS and we will style the HTML tags. After learning these two, we will design a very simple to-do app. Then we will move on to some advancement and we will learn CSS grid layout, and also from that we will learn the HTML, CSS framework known as Bootstrap. After learning Bootstrap, we will then practice them by designing the responsive and clean single-page website. After that, we will then move on to JavaScript. We will learn the basic JavaScript. Then from now we will also learn the advanced JavaScript library known as jQuery. After doing these topics, we will then create a simple snake game with JavaScript and jQuery. After that, we will move on to server-side, and there we will learn PHP from very basic. Then after that, we will learn how to create a database using MySQL. After completing PHP and MySQL, we will then develop a final project where we will develop a complete login system with HTML, CSS, PHP and MySQL. So stay tuned for this awesome web development session. I will be right back soon.